Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you the email I've received after, let's assume now the user sent the booking details using the website I've just posted there. I'm just going to show you in my Gmail here. Now this is the email I've received from the website after booking. Now if I install that website for you, you as the business owner, you'll be able to see the emails streaking in your Gmail or your preferred mail provider after the users have booked through the website, over the website. So you will be able to get their details. From there you can initiate communication with them, their contact there, you can call them, you can email them. So it's a good website. It's a good website. You can consider purchasing it for your customized needs. You can also get a customized website. My contact details are there. You can contact me. I build for you a website that implements the functionality that you need for your own purpose. BLB hotel booking request, the email is there. New booking request for room, the name of the room there, check-in date, check-out date, number of guests, the email of the person, their contact, the message, and there is also a message there: our team will contact you through email or phone. Regards, the booking system. Thanks.